Just got a row of farm mall Cubs. Got one with a mower. These are just the coolest little tractors. This is what they call a low boy. And, you know, because it's lower than the other one. That one's taller, lower. Alright, YouTubers, you know the drill by now. My name is Dave. And it's always been Dave. Or David. Whatever you prefer. Well, as Bevins in my military days, got my, you know, my camo hat on today. Figured I'd switch it up a little bit. Jump into Stang. Roll on over to the world famous, that's right, world famous Gas Up. It's in big old town of Galville, New York. It's about that direction. And, you know, I'm gonna show you some cool tractors, some chitty putt engines, and then just whatever else is there that's old and cool. Usually it's ran by steam or gas or whatever. So then jump in the old Mustang, head on over. Alright, made it over here to the Gas Up. I think I forgot to mention that it is Father's Day. This event is actually a 2-weekend event. It's the weekend before Father's Day and then the weekend of Father's Day. Today is actually Father's Day. And last year I actually worked the event with the barbecue guys. You can see the smoke in the back. That's chicken barbecue. And this year I decided I didn't want to do it. So you know, I stopped by. There's a lot of fathers that work with these guys, and I stopped by this old store and got them some cold snacks to enjoy, you know, while they're barbecuing some chicken or after they're barbecuing some chicken. You know, just a kind of a thank you on Father's Day to these guys. They're out here working their asses off. It's hot. Well, it's not really hot. It's just, you know, it's just an all-day grind event doing this, you know, selling chicken, cooking chicken, all the sandwiches and stuff that they do. It's just, it's ridiculous. So this is my way of saying thank you to them guys for, you know, coming out and doing this stuff. So this is how good their food is. Look at the line. The line goes from here all the way back there. That's a huge ass tent. That's how good their food is, and that line is the reason why I didn't want to work the Gas Up this year, because it gets ridiculously busy. But yeah, I just dropped off the old cold snacks to them. They'll enjoy those later. In the meantime, I'm gonna come over here and look at this Volkswagen. All these cool little engines. That's a cool Volkswagen. And a Chevy. Nice little Nova over here. This isn't really known for like a car show or a, you know, bike show or anything, but they do have them, as you can see. Oh, nice Nova. Stick shift. Of course, I'm on the wrong side. I should be on the other side, but it is what it is. You don't see too many minis around. I like a sticker. Actual size. This thing is cool. To go along with the barbecue, they have homemade ice cream here, and look at this line. Starts there and ends way back there by the blue tractors. And that's how good the ice cream is. Homemade. As you can see, there's a little engine right here, or a little big engine right there, turning a big belt that's running the churn, that's churning out the ice cream. So, you know, lots of people here on Father's Day. It's usually the busier of the weekends. I was actually concerned about how many people are going to be here because the weather didn't look like it was going to cooperate at the beginning of this week, but it's kind of cleared up. So, and look at all these people. These are big British tractors, as you can see, manufactured in Britain. Same wheels on the front as on the back.
And we just about have the parade.
There's usually 3 of them here. There's 2 of them.
We will be starting
Old Massey Harris. There's a Model A truck just pulled in and parked. I'll give them guys time, but I'll definitely be back over to look at that. So they're lining up for the parade, and there's a really young girl driving, I believe it's a Model T. It is. I want to get that on video because, you know, everything that's wrong in the world today, you don't see it here. You don't see it here at the gas up. You know, you got kids, you got women riding tractors, you got kids pulling kids around on lawn tractors, and you got little girls driving Model A cars. I mean, you can't get more wholesome, down-home, family, country than this right here. There's a little girl driving a Model A. Are you driving? Awesome. Here we got this young man here driving a doodle bug with some metal tires. Another young lady here driving a Ford. And there's people lined up alongside just watching. Old Sears lawnmower. Look at that thing. Got a motorcycle engine in it. Got wheelie bars. It's even got a hand clutch on it. That is cool. There you go. Tell me this ain't from a family event. There you go, Toe Mater. That's funny. I mean, all sizes, shapes. I mean, we got a big old John Deere coming now. What size is that thing? 1959. A whole 68 horsepower. We got a young man driving a Farmall A. And that's an international case. Like I said, anything goes. These are some of my favorite tractors, the old Olivers. I believe this is a 70 road crosser. Cool. I can barely hear it run. It's so quiet and smooth. I don't know, you tell me where this thing is. Some more lawn tractors. They got a bulldozer. A whole bunch of kids on Father's Day. Another young lady driving a tractor with her father. What is this? Got a nice comfy seat. Like I said, all shapes and sizes. Old fire truck. And this Alice Chalmers here. There's a lady that I've been helping trying to get her tractors running. She has one of these Alice Chalmers Bs, and I think I will make a video when we go up there to try to get that one running. I got 2 of the 4 running for. I got 2 more to do, and one of those Alice Chalmers Bs is one of them. What in the world? Ulster County. That's a crank starter in the front. I think it would probably break your arm if it kicks back. Look at this thing. Holy moly, don't want a shot. It's a nice WD. That's one of the tractors I already got running for. The WD. Well, I say me, but it was actually my my buddy and I, my buddy Tom. There we go, there's a Willis Jeep. Kick it in high gear. That thing's really nice. Really nice Jeep. Oh, there's an old T. Oh, I think I have one of those. Maybe one of those. I like old milk bottles. I try to pick one up every once in a while. Inside the building here, they have a band. We'll go in there and check them out. We got Model A inside. Looks in really nice shape. Hasn't been registered since '02. Same with the Buick. This one's been in here a while. We got a Model A truck right there. All right, so leave it to me to find something weird. This is a lawnmower that hovers and then mows the grass. I'm assuming this is the mechanism that pushes the air down like a hovercraft. And he's got it over there. How old is this thing?
This is from at least the 60s.
From the 60s?
Yes.
Do you know anything else about it? Like who makes it?
It's a Climo.
A what?
Climo.
Climo.
Yep.
Where could you buy these things?
You can buy them. There's a few different places you can buy them. A couple different like small department stores you can get them at.
Okay.
And they originally started out as for women in the 50s.
Okay.
They started in the 50s, and you know, well, men can mow lawns, well, so can women. And I found old like commercials from back in the 50s of women. You know, they can actually do it. It was less heavy for them. You know, because it's right off the ground. There's no wheels.
Right.
You can literally do 360 with it. And then they're like, you know, maybe it's not for women. Maybe men can use it too. So,
Right.
So then they still make them too.
They still make them?
Climo still makes them.
Wow. I've never seen one. I mean, that doesn't say much, but I mean, how many, have you ever seen another one?
I haven't seen any other ones on Marketplace except this one, and I found a whole lot in Massachusetts.
Okay.
And
Can you show the bottom? All right.
it's just a regular mower blade, just like normal.
So that's the fan that spins, that lifts it up,
Yep.
and then the mower blade that mows.
Yes, and that fan goes through here, so also you don't get that buildup of grass.
Oh, okay. I originally thought it was some sort of floor buffing machine because it had the tube. I wasn't, you know, I don't know. That's cool.
Well, thank you. If I had two-stroke gas, I would fire it up and show you, but I don't have two-stroke gas with me.
No, that's all right. You know, we can see that he mowed back there.
I mowed over there, I mowed out front here.
Cool.
And as soon as I turned it on, everybody, cell phone,
Sure,
everybody
yeah.
was just going nuts.
What's your name?
Daniel,
Daniel, I'm Dave.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Had to take refuge in the barn. As you can see on my shirt, started raining. Yeah. I figured it'd get here eventually. But this is all the wood that they saw, to be honest, believe it or not. There's saws all over the place. If you watched last year's video, I took some video of the saws actually working. I didn't do any. I haven't done any this year. But hopefully the rain stops. He's got a row of Farmall Cubs. Got one with a mower. These are just the coolest little tractors. This is what they call a low boy. And, you know, because it's lower than the other one. That one's taller, lower. All right, so I think that's a wrap for Gas Up 2023. Just had a little bit of food from Barbecue Delights. They're handing out, or not handing out, but they're selling prime rib like it's going out of style. You know, they need a couple of hands, so I give them a hand. But, you know, that's gonna do it for, like I said, Gas Up 2023. If you guys are in the area, you should check this out. If you like old engines, tractors, anything weird, you know, this is the place. They have it. You know, it's here every year. Like I said before, they have it 2 weekends in a row. The weekend before Father's Day and then Father's Day weekend. They've been doing it forever. This is like the, I don't even want to know what, I don't even want to say what year because I'll probably be wrong. But I remember coming ever since I was a wee little kid with my father. They used to have a lot more cars than they do now. So he would bring his car down, but it's turned more into a tractor show like it's supposed to be. But you know, if you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I drop more videos. And like always, Till next time, thanks a lot. Another young man filing an old case. That thing just sounds like it's got power. It's got power steering.